Okay, so good day. Our topic for today is about security operation and monitoring, including SOC operation, continuous monitoring, and threat intelligence platforms. No, so in today's digital landscape, where cyber threats evolve faster than most organizations can adapt security operational and monitoring. It serves as the backbone of the institution defense strategy. It involves the continuous observation, detection, and analysis of security event across network, system, and application. So the ultimate goal is to identify suspicious activity early and respond before damage occurs. The function is critical not only for large corporation but also for educational institution, government agencies, and small businesses increasingly targeted by phishing, ransomware, and insider threats. At the heart of the effective security operations is the Security Operations Center, a dedicated team that monitor, analysis, and integrate and mitigates security incidents no, using advanced tools and processes. So Security Operations Center operations bring together technology, people, and syempre procedures to to ensure threats are detected and neutralized promptly. The team leverages SIEM or Security Information and Event Management System to collect no, and correlate log from various sources, allowing them to detect anomalies that might otherwise go unnoticed. Another major pillar is continuous monitoring, which ensures that cybersecurity defenses are active around the clock. Traditional periodic audits are no longer enough. Organizations need real-time visibility no, into their environment. So to prevent zero-day exploit or insider missions. So through automated alert system in AI-based analytics, security teams can detect unusual traffic, privilege escalation, or policy violations within seconds, minimizing the risk of breaches that could disrupt operations. So equally important are threat intelligence platform which provide contextual information about emerging threats, malware signatures, and adversary behaviors. And these platforms integrate with SOC tools to enhance situational awareness and enable proactive defense strategies. Because instead of waiting for an attack, analysts can anticipate potential intrusion based on global threat feeds and behavioral analytics, ensuring the institutions stay one step ahead by cyber criminal. The success of security operations and monitoring depends on collaboration and coordination because it's not purely a technical function. It involves governance, compliance, and communication between departments. Let's say, for example, no, IT must coordinate with HR for insider threat monitoring, while compliance team ensure that incident report aligns with standards such as ISO 27001, NIST 800-137. Because effective communication ensures that both leadership and employees understand their roles in maintaining a secure environment. In educational or corporate setting, implementing a strong monitoring system requires investment in both tools and training. Even the most advanced SIEM solution is ineffective if staff are entrained or overwhelmed by false positives. Now, hence, a blend of automation and human expertise is essential. Organization opens adopt a people process technology framework to balance this element and achieve resilient cybersecurity operation. Real world